Hey guys, welcome back. I'm here with another video for bedazzling sandals. Who's ready? Let's get into this. Alright, so the supplies you'll need is E6000 glue, rhinestones or pearls, whatever your choice. Of course, you'll need your item that you're going to bedazzle. Toothpicks are very helpful. Wax sticks, pencil, and tweezers is optional, but it is very helpful too. Scissors, another optional tool, came in handy for me. Side note, I'll provide the link of where I found my embellishments on Amazon, so that'll be in the description box below, and it'll also have the full list of everything that was used too. Alright, so real quick here, earlier you saw me cutting off like the bands for the chain embellishments that were there before. I wish at that time I did have a seam ripper because the first small band was really stubborn, but I was able to get the other ones off easy a little later, you'll see. And the holes that were created from me cutting off the small bands, no need to worry about those if you're doing something similar to this, because what I did was I had some really big pearls. So what do they call it? The pearl embellishments that I got off Amazon, they were ranging in like tiny size to like bigger sizes. So the bigger pearls, I used those to cover up the holes that were created from me cutting off the bands, and that worked out just fine. So as many of you guys know, there's tons of videos of bedazzling anything from shoes, cups, anything you could think of. There's a lot of things going on in bedazzling. So I kept this video short and sweet to the point, and I sped it up so that way it keeps you somewhat entertained there. I will just say really quick, two things that I kept in mind when doing this project. What really helps me speed this project along is I use the big ones, the big pearls or the rhinestones, to help fill up the bands pretty quickly. I don't like everything uniform. I like to mix it up. And then a second rule of thumb for me was I used a lot of the tiny ones too, and they were great for fillers, like small nook and cranny portions that I couldn't get to, and also like along the edge of the band. So you'll see me doing that a lot, is using the tiny ones along the edge or around the big ones to kind of almost be like a filler. So I'm done talking. Go ahead and continue watching. I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. And if you have any other ideas, definitely comment them down below. If you'd like me to bedazzle anything else, any other type of shoes, even thrift store shoes, we can revive some thrift store shoes. Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much again. I hope everybody has a blessed day.